Hi, we're back again in the test kitchen. This is Allison, and as you might have guessed, I love chocolate. Okay, so we have lots of research coming in these days that show that chocolate is actually good for us. Research that shows it's lowered risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and so forth. And of course, it can make you very happy. It's so tasty and popular all over the world. So, of course, one can obviously have fruit for dessert as well, very fresh and nice, or even just a little piece of chocolate. And the darker the chocolate, the better, because there's more antioxidants and less sugar. So this is an example of a very dark chocolate here. Or you can make cookies or brownies. So I have a couple recipes here that I'm fond of, and I thought I would just go over. These are chocolate cracks. Okay, so this is a variation on the basic sort of chocolate chip cookie recipe. Only with these, you melt the chocolate and the butter and the vanilla first in a pan. And then once those are melted, you add in 2 eggs. And then you mix those together and then add in the flour and the baking soda and the salt. Okay, so, and once that is done, you roll them up in little balls. So just about this big, I don't know if you can kind of see, just about this big, and plop them on a cookie tray. So they're smooth and shiny and dark, little balls sitting there. And then of course you cook them for about 12 minutes and then the magic happens. So they go from little balls to a cookie that looks like this. So they're light and airy and they form these cracks. So this is why they're called chocolate cracks. And almost kind of fudgy inside. When you first take them out of the oven, they're still soft and warm, and that can be a nice time to add something in the top. You can just push it down. So here's some nuts in here, some walnuts. Okay, so walnuts are great because you have all the health benefits of nuts, or you can put in more chocolate. We have some chocolate chips, or you could do a chocolate chunk. In some recipes that are variation on this, they will roll these in powdered sugar. It looks kind of like snow, kind of fun to do around the holidays. But if you're trying to not go overboard with sugar, then something like the nuts can be really healthy. Or of course, they can just be like this as well. So very light and delicious, and they actually do use less butter than a standard chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so those are the chocolate cracks, and it's a nice view of them again. Okay. All right, and then over here we have brownies, and these are also a classic. These are vegan brownies for you who are interested in that out there, and even if you're not, they're really, really good. Okay, so basically these are made, also they're wheat-free. We just use almond flour and a bit of rice flour, just about a 1/3 cup of each, and some really dark chocolate as well as cocoa is in this recipe, and I'll have the recipe on canvas for you, of course, as well. Yeah, and then oil. Oil is used instead of butter. So we don't have any dairy in here or wheat. And you would never guess because, you put them in the oven and cook them for half an hour and you have the fudgiest, most delicious brownies imaginable. At any rate, this is another great way to get chocolate into your diet there, and many healthful ingredients in this one as well. Instead of sugar, we use maple syrup. So they're just, you don't really taste the maple, but they do taste very rich and fudgy. So for a chocolate dessert, you can have a bit of chocolate, or some chocolate cracks, or some brownies.